Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. How are you? I want to introduce myself for you. My name is Siti Aisyah. I am 27 years old. My height is 153 cm. My weight is 53 kg. My last education is junior high school. My status is married and I have one children, 1 years old. My religion is Muslim. I have 3 siblings and I am the first child. I come from Karawang, West Java of Indonesia. I have experience before in Malaysia 2 years from 2017 until 2019. In Saudi 2 years from 2020 until 2022. I want working in Singapore because I want more money to my family future and I will hard working, honest, obedience, love the children and I promise finish 2-year contract. I hope you will take me, sir.